Namaste. Today I am going to speak about the traditional festivals of India. Friends, we know the rich land of India grows various festivals on its soil. The beauty of India is magnified by these festivals like Pongal, Onam, Dasera, Diwali, etc. We know that these festivals are an expressive way to celebrate glorious heritage, culture, and traditions. They are meant to rejoice special moment and the emotions with our loved ones. It helps us to keep a connection with our roots. Even during the time of festivals, we feel positivity all around of us. Today I am going to speak about one of the traditional festival of India, that is Diwali, which we celebrate 5 days. So let's know more about these auspicious 5 days. The first day of Diwali is called Dhanteras. Dhanteras is a Sanskrit word. Dhan and a teras. Dhan means wealth and a teras means 13. It is considered an auspicious day to buy gold, silver and utensils to make our wealth 13 times more. It is also believed that goddess Lakshmi and the Lord Dhanvantari emerged from the sea churning, means Samudra Manthan, on this day only. That's why people do worship of goddess Lakshmi along with Lord Dhanvantari on this day for the wealth and a good health. The second day of Diwali is called Narak Chaturdasi or Rup Chaturdasi or Kali Chaudas, even Choti Diwali. This is the day when Lord Krishna killed the demon Narkasur and freeing the world from fear. People do worship of goddess Mahakali also. They believe that on this day Mahakali killed the Asur Raktabij. Even some part of India, people do oil massage before taking bath. The third day of Diwali is actual Diwali or Deepavali. Goddess Lakshmi is worshipped along with the Lord Ganesha and Goddess Saraswati. After the puja, people celebrate Diwali with sparkles, crackers, etc. that we all know. It is also believed that Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya along with Sita and Lakshmana after 14 years of exile on this day only. The fourth day of Diwali is called Govardhan Puja or Bali Pratipada or Annakut. People do worship of Govardhan mountain. It is the day when the Lord Krishna lifted the Govardhan mountain to protect all the villagers from the heavy rain. It is also believed that King Mahabali was defeated on this day by the Vaman Dev, means Lord Krishna, on this day only. The fifth day of Diwali is called Bhai Dooj or Bhai Beej. Just like Raksha Bandhan, this is also the festival of brother and sisters. According to stories, the Lord of Death, Yamraj, visited to his sister Yamuna on this day. He gave Yamuna a boon that whoever visits on this day shall be free from all sins. They will achieve moksha. From then on, brothers visit their sisters on this day to inquire about their welfare. People do faithful bath in the holy water of the Yamuna river. This day marks the end of the 5 days of Diwali celebration. So friends, this was all about the Diwali festival. Wish you all a very happy Diwali in advance. Thank you.